A quality wheel cleaner quickly dissolves stubborn brake dust, restores shine, protects wheel finishes, and helps prevent long-term corrosion and buildup. My today's video is about top 5 best wheel cleaners for brake dust removal that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at SoCar Pit Crew Wheel Cleaner. SoCar Pit Crew Wheel Cleaner delivers an impressive balance of cleaning power and wheel-safe performance. Its precision clean technology quickly breaks down stubborn brake dust, road grime, and tar, making it easy to restore dirty wheels without excessive scrubbing. The formula is strong enough to handle heavy buildup while remaining gentle on a wide range of wheel finishes, including delicate aluminum surfaces. One of its standout features is the ability to clean effectively in a single application. Instead of requiring multiple rounds of spraying and rinsing, it lifts contaminants efficiently, leaving wheels and rims looking noticeably cleaner with little effort. It also helps revive the original shine without leaving behind streaks or residue. For drivers who want professional quality results at home, SoCar Pit Crew is a dependable choice. Its combination of powerful cleaning, finish-safe protection, and time-saving performance makes regular wheel maintenance simple while helping preserve the appearance and longevity of your wheels. Now our second product is Holley Wheel Clean. Holley Wheel Cleaner is an excellent solution for removing stubborn brake dust, grease, and road grime without the hassle of heavy scrubbing. Its powerful acid-free formula quickly loosens contaminants while remaining safe for regular use on virtually all wheel types, making it a reliable option for maintaining both factory and aftermarket wheels. The thick, clinging formula stays on the surface longer, giving the cleaner more time to penetrate baked-on dirt and grime for improved results. While extremely neglected wheels may require light agitation, most everyday buildup rinses away with minimal effort. The convenient spray application also makes it easy to reach tight areas, reducing the need to get your hands dirty during the cleaning process. Designed for enthusiasts who value both appearance and efficiency, Holley Wheel Cleaner restores a fresh, clean finish while helping preserve wheel condition over time. It delivers professional-looking results, making routine wheel maintenance faster, easier, and more effective. Our third product is Lane's new Aluminum Car Wheel Cleaner. Lane's Aluminum Car Wheel Cleaner is a professional-grade solution designed for heavily soiled aluminum wheels that need serious restoration. Its powerful acidic formula rapidly cuts through oxidation, brake dust, rust stains, and stubborn road grime, delivering noticeable results after just one application. For neglected wheels, it significantly reduces the time and effort typically required for deep cleaning. Beyond cleaning, the formula helps revive faded aluminum surfaces, restoring a bright, polished appearance that enhances the overall look of your vehicle. The included spray applicator ensures even coverage, allowing the cleaner to penetrate contaminants quickly for maximum effectiveness with minimal scrubbing. This cleaner is especially well-suited for detailers and enthusiasts seeking showroom-quality results. Because of its strong acidic formulation, it's important to follow the manufacturer's directions carefully and avoid prolonged contact with sensitive finishes. When used correctly, Lane's Wheel Cleaner provides fast, reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for removing heavy brake dust and restoring aluminum wheels to a brilliant shine. Now number 4, P&S Professional Detail Products Brake Buster Wheel. Brake Buster is a professional-grade wheel cleaner that delivers outstanding performance against stubborn brake dust, iron deposits, road grime, and other contaminants. Its powerful cleaning formula quickly lifts embedded dirt, restoring wheels to a clean, factory-fresh appearance without requiring aggressive scrubbing. One of its biggest advantages is the non-acid formula, which is safe for chrome, aluminum, painted, powder-coated, and steel wheels. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for regular maintenance without risking damage or discoloration. It can also be used directly or diluted in a foam sprayer, producing a thick foam that clings to surfaces and reaches tight spaces for a more complete clean. Beyond removing grime, Brake Buster leaves behind a light protective layer that helps reduce future brake dust buildup and oxidation, keeping wheels cleaner between washes. Trusted by professional detailers and enthusiasts alike, it combines powerful cleaning, surface safety, and lasting protection, making it an excellent investment for maintaining daily drivers, off-road vehicles, and show cars. And our last choice is Restore FX Maintain Rim Cleanse Wheel Cleaner. This advanced iron oxide wheel cleaner is an excellent choice for restoring heavily contaminated wheels and maintaining a like-new finish. Its specialized formula targets embedded brake dust, iron fallout, and stubborn road grime that ordinary car shampoos often leave behind, helping prevent long-term pitting and corrosion while delivering a noticeably deeper clean. A standout feature is the active color-changing technology, which turns purple or red as it reacts with iron particles. This visual indicator confirms the cleaner is actively dissolving contamination from both the wheel face and inner barrel, making it easy to identify areas that need additional attention. The pH-neutral, acid-free formula is safe for painted, alloy, chrome, and clear-coated wheels, providing powerful cleaning without harming delicate finishes. Regular use helps reduce corrosive buildup and keeps wheels looking newer for longer. With its simple spray-on, rinse-off application, and optional light agitation for stubborn deposits, it delivers professional detailing results at home with minimal effort, making routine wheel care fast, effective, and reliable. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.